dear students. I hope you all are ready for our today's session. We were discussing about the states of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Now let us focus on the board. Solid, liquid and gas are the three states of matter. When you look around your surrounding area, you will get many examples of solids. So let us write three one by one. Our first example will be your table. You all must be sitting on your chair. Chair is an example of solid state of matter. I'm writing with this marker and I rub with a duster. So again, a duster is an example of solid. Right now, if you are thirsty, you will feel like drinking water. So water is an example of liquid. You also drink juice. Juice is also an example of liquid. And there is one liquid which is flowing in your body. Oh wow, you must have guessed it right. It is blood. Now, let us take up the examples of gas. You inhale which air? Oxygen. You exhale another air, that is carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is an example of gas. There is one more gas which is there in the atmosphere, that is nitrogen. Now children, let us revise the examples. Table, chair and duster are example of solid state of matter. Water, juice and blood are example of liquid. Oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen are example of gas. Now see children, all these things occupy space. They occupy space. So what we have understood, anything which occupies space is called matter. Right children? I hope it is clear to you. So children, now let us practically see the examples of gas. Can you see this incense stick? I have burnt it. Can you see the smoke coming out of it? This is actually the example of gas. Now let us come and see the examples of liquid. This is our shampoo bottle with which you wash your hair. This is liquid. This is a soft drink. Again, it is an example of liquid. This bottle is having water. Water is an example of liquid. Solid things. This is your cup in which you drink tea or coffee. Spoon, and very important thing that you need daily. And a pen. This is also an example of solid things. So I hope children, by all these examples, the proper concept of solid, liquid and gas is clear to you.